Springtime, blossom time, the finest time of the year, when nature awakens after a long and sometimes hard winter. Everywhere as you look is beauty.
Yes, Oliver, the blossoms are in bloom, and that means May is here, and along with the blossoms comes one of my favorite birds, the Baltimore Oriole. Baltimore Orioles, like spring flowers, arrive suddenly, splashing black and orange high in the treetops. The arrival of the Oriole is to be welcomed with joy. So this month's bird of the month is the Baltimore Oriole. Let's take a look now at the Baltimore Oriole. You are more likely to hear an oriole before you see one. Their familiar, rich whistling song from the treetops in our backyard is a sweet herald of spring. It is said no two orioles sing the same tune. Here are some tips on attracting orioles to your backyard. Many people attract orioles to their backyard with oriole feeders. They are very fond of grape jelly and orange halves. Oriole feeders come in many shapes and sizes. Now let's take a look at oriole feeders in action. Orioles are also fond of nectar, and you can see them at your hummingbird feeders. And they will occasionally come to your suet feeders. And be sure to provide them with a fresh water source. If the orioles discover a well-kept feeder, they will bring their young to feed. The oriole is known as the master nest builder of all the songbirds. The female oriole weaves a remarkable tightly woven pouch on the end of a branch. Young orioles look similar to the female oriole when they visit your feeders in your backyard. The Baltimore Oriole is one of the most brilliantly colored songbirds in the East. The orioles migrate early, so enjoy them in your backyard while you can. I hope you've enjoyed this month's Bird of the Month, the Baltimore Oriole. I wish to thank Sandy and Jean for the use of their photographs, and my good friend Oliver Charlie. If you would like to see more of this kind of contact, please subscribe to my channel.